So just do a quick one on cast on, Whakamata, the cast on. So we've got our whenu, which is this white one. We've got our aho, which is the orange one. Split the aho and cross it over so that it's going from the top to the bottom, bottom to the top. And that's a whatu. So we've put one in. Put the next one in alongside, so it just sits beside it. Whatu that one in. So each piece you put in is on a separate whatu. So we've got two here, two at the back. You take the first one from the back, which is the left-hand one, bend it around so it sits alongside the other two at the front. Whatu that in. Everything has to be whatued in, but one at a time. Like that. We've only got one at the back, so we need to add another one. At the halfway point, lay it down beside. So there's four at the front. Whatu that in. So now you've got two at the back. You take the first one, which is the left one, and lay it down beside the others. Whatu that in. So at the back, we only have one, so yes, you have to add another one in. Lay it beside it, lock it in by doing the whatu. Gee, sorry, hands are all over the show. And two at the back, so you've added one, now you need to bend one. So add one, fold one, add one, bend one, however you like to interpret that. Okay, so I'm nearly finished. I'm just going to whip through those. Added one, folded one. And I've got one more to go. So I'm adding one, folding one. And then I'm at the end one. So just fold that down. Do the whatu. See, it's not twisting, it's just my hand movement. Still the same. Whatu, and take one of the back ones and loop it around the others, leaving that gap. Take that through, and it's just like a little slip knot. So I'll stop that there. You can see it's a bit wobbly. So that's your opportunity now to just tighten them all up and get them how you would like. It's easier to do it now, it's not so much holding them all together. It's not too bad. Bit of a tight one there. And there we go, there's your whatu. There's your cast on.